Okay, folks, we're looking at the sales and distribution or fulfillment case study, and step one is to create a new customer. So to do that, you go logistics, sales and distribution, master data, business partner, customer, create, complete. To create business partner, you pick organization and you press enter. Then you will be on create organization, roll F1 customer screen. So create in BP role, make sure that that says roll FI customer new, and enter in the title company, and then the name of the company. So we're talking about the Bike Zone for name, and your number for your search term. So I'm teach 001, so I'll put in 001. Scrolling down, the house number 2144 North Orange Avenue, postal code 328004, city of Orlando, California, Orlando, Florida, sorry, US, region, Florida, language, English. Okay. And then you have to hit or click on the ellipses in the standard address area to see additional address options. This is always a tricky thing to do. So the additional address options are right here in the corner. You click on that button. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we might have put in an additional number here, so that'll fix that up. It's not a problem. Okay. Additional information. It's good to go. Transportation zone. East region. Region East. Okay, and then we click on the company code. So we have to go more. Company code. We put in US 00 and confirm and press enter. So we have to put in our reconciliation number, which is 110000, and our sort key is 001. Then click on customer payment transactions, enter in 0001, hit enter, and in the drop down menu, create BP role, you have to choose customer and then hit save. And your business partner has been created. Hit OK, or write that number down and hit OK. And then click on sales and distribution more. Click sales and distribution and enter UE00 for America East for the sales org, distribution channel, wholesale, WH, division is bicycle, BI, and hit confirm with an enter. And it'll ask you for some more information. So currency is USD, that should be in there. Price group. Okay, price group is going to be 01. Price customer stats group is going to be 1. Customer price procedure. Customer price procedure is also going to be 1. Sales district is 0003. So up here, sales district US 0003. Then click on the shipping tab. Delivery priority 02. Normal item. Shipping conditions 01. Delivering plant is going to be MI for Miami. And delivering plant MI 00. And 3 for max part deliveries. For number of part deliveries. Max part deliveries is 3. Navigate to billing. On the billing, enter the freight on board or FOB in Miami for Incoterms. So Incoterms, FOB, Incoterms location, Miami. Payment terms 0001. Tax classic is going to be 0. If I can find it. So again, tax classification is going to be 0 for all 3 of these tax output classifications. So we click on save, and you have now saved all the information necessary to create your new customer in the system. And so your business partner is 48217, or that was my business partner, but you should have a business partner set up and saved in the system.